Oh shit. Go, Matt! There you go. There you go.
It's called the art of negotiation, Katie. It's called the art of negotiation. That's one bite. Watch this, bro.
That's two. Look at them cheating over there with the toes.
It's so hot.
Third bite.
That's right, baby.
Get the third bite going.
Okay. This is the easy part. I don't want to save the best class.
Oh shit.
That doesn't count.
Grease cough. Grease cough.
Yeah, that was actually not food. Okay. Ready?
Ready.
Fucking hell.
Yes, got this. You got this. Oh shit. You're good, Matt. You're good. You're good. You're good. You got this.
It's so hot.
Got it? Get empty mouth on there.
Wow.
This is like scarier than the Joker. Look at that, in 3 minutes.
That's
Three
right.
bites in 3 minutes.
Let's go.